going to be correct.
So I'm just asking the chap here about at Tesla in Exeter about load ratings on tyres. Can you use any tyre, or what tyres basically do you use to replace your tyres if you get a puncture or they're worn out? And it's basically the load rating. You can use any tyre, but it's the load rating on the tyre. What would be, 105Y?
Yeah, it varies on the tyre size and the vehicle, but yeah, it's I would match it to whatever you're running.
Right, okay then.
They vary because they've got all different sizes.
You know, I googled it, and I did read from a tyre company, I can't remember the name now. No, you've got to use specific tyres, only their tyres what are made for electric cars because of the heavy batteries.
Yeah.
Are they just trying to sell me their tyres?
No,
if you know what I mean?
I don't think so.
Yeah.
I think there is a caveat of it, but a lot of the tyres will have what's called a TO rating on it, which is
Right.
Tesla original.
Tesla original,
Yeah,
okay.
so if it has TO written on it, then it's specifically designed for a Tesla. It doesn't mean you can't.
And can you buy those? Where do you buy those Tesla original tyres?
Anywhere, yeah.
Anywhere,
Yeah.
Any big tyre
Online,
garage, perhaps online.
I mean, obviously, I'm going to suggest through us, right? Because
Through
we're
you,
going to
yeah,
have the correct ones.
Yeah.
But you can look online.
Yeah, okay. So all those tyres over there,
Yeah,
basically.
I think
So, so would it be advisable then for me if I haven't got a puncture, but looking forward to get one of those tyres for my car and stick it in the garage, or if we're going a long journey, to stick it in the boot? Because there's plenty of room in the boot.
Plenty of people do that.
Yeah, because I'm thinking, if I get a puncture on my dual carriageway, motorway, whatever, and you get towed to a garage, they haven't got the tyre, they've got to order it in.
Yeah.
You're talking a day,
Plenty
whatever.
of people do that. I keep a couple spares in my garage.
Okay. So there you go.
Easy, right?
Yeah, keep a spare. And we have plenty here to order at Tesla in Exeter.